Hi, this is Paul for The Pond Guy, here to talk about installing liners in large ponds. The most common reason pond owners explore the option of a pond liner in a large pond is because the pond was constructed in sandy soil or in an area with a low water table. While adding a pond liner seems like a simple solution, consider these questions before deciding if a pond liner is right for you. Does your pond hold water? Many ponds will retain some water. However, we do not recommend lining a pond that contains more than 25% of its filled capacity for any extended period of time. If your pond is more than 25% full and you want to use a liner, you will need to drain the pond before installing and put at least 2 feet of soil on top of the liner to prevent pressure from groundwater pushing the liner up. Does your pond have a steep slope? Steep slopes can put too much stress on your liner and cause premature wear. Liners are designed to be used in ponds no steeper than a 3-to-1 ratio, meaning for every 3 feet of distance, the pond does not drop more than 1 foot in depth. If you are able to answer no to both of these questions, then your pond may be a good candidate for a pond liner. There are several options when it comes to choosing the right type of liner to best fit your pond. You may be familiar with the use of EPDM rubber liners for small applications. While they're durable, we don't recommend their use for large applications where seaming is necessary. Large pond liners made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, or RPE, reinforced polyethylene material, are custom fabricated to reduce field seaming. PVC is widely used in irrigation reservoirs, detention ponds, and golf course ponds. This liner is very flexible and available in 20 and 30 millimeter thickness. The higher the millimeter, the more durable and puncture-resistant the liner. For an even more durable and puncture-resistant liner, you may want to consider an RPE liner. Not only can this type of liner be used for irrigation reservoirs, golf courses, and recreation, it can also be used for ponds that accommodate livestock and wildlife. RPE is available in 36 and 45 millimeter. Liner installation. Before ordering a liner, you will need to have a good measurement of your pond. Measuring your pond is best accomplished using a flexible tape measure. Stretch the tape measure from waterline to waterline, allowing the tape to contour the pond's bottom. In general, we recommend adding an additional 15 feet to 20 feet to this number to account for the anchoring trench and future settling of the liner. Also, before installation, coat the pond's bottom using approximately 12 inches of soft soil or sand to act as a cushion before placing the liner. Once the liner is placed, dig an anchor trench around the pond approximately 5 feet from the pond's edge. The anchor trench should be approximately 2 feet wide by 2 feet deep. This will be used for excess liner and backfilled with soil to secure it in place. Finally, to protect the liner from the sun, we recommend covering the liner with an additional 12 inches of soft soil or sand, and in areas where it may be exposed to sunlight, such as the pond's edge. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.